Are you ready to slide into your new home?
Then let's zip on over to Amber's new listing. Woo! This new construction home was just completed and it's move-in ready. But don't take my word for it. Follow me, let's check it out. You know, they say the kitchen is the heart of the home. Look at this one.
The primary bedroom has not only one, but 2 closets, and it features an en-suite luxury bathroom. Who wouldn't love to enjoy a cup of coffee on this covered front porch?
This home is ready for you to slide your things right in. Give one of us a call. I'm Amanda Downs.
And I'm Amber Clem, and we are with LPT Realty.